Hi guys. Okay, so I'm back and I went ahead and I colored these in with markers, and I just used the Copic sketch markers. You can use obviously anything that you have. These work really great. I love them because they're double-sided, and this side has a thicker end, and it's great for coloring in. And then on this side, it acts like a paintbrush. So you can kind of use it as a paintbrush if you're making strokes or things like that. It's also easier to get in around the edges because you can bend the brush. So that works as well. So I highly recommend these. Of course, anything you have would be great. I would just recommend you coloring it in because it looks so much better. I also forgot to add a little tail for my cardinal, so I did that there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this and keep drawing. See you guys later. Bye-bye.